All right, kick it off.
Hey Foot Geeks, it's CJ here with David from Turnfit, and today we want to talk about Illiotibial band syndrome and how you can relieve pain from that. So that's usually a pain at the side of the knee, and at the same time, again, runners get a lot. Sometimes it could potentially cause some pain in the hip, but what are the common treatment options for that?
Great question. So the old common treatment is a big foam roller, and you're laying on it and rolling out this. So a lot of people are doing, and in fact they're actually agitating that even more than they need to. So they're rolling their IT band, and if you can see, what you actually want to do is hit the TFL. And it's just a small area, and you might have like a little ball like this, and you're just kind of placing it in here. Maybe you're laying on the ground. If it is a firm ball, it will hurt a lot. But you're not moving like crazy. You could be doing a hand massage if you need to, or putting some pressure, leaning against something. I myself, yes, do lay on the ground and just get in there. And then you're just slowly releasing it. You don't need to do it too much. Maybe you just need to spend like 30 seconds, maybe a minute, and then flip over and try to do the other side. And then what it will do is it'll release the tension on your IT band. So what not to do? Foam roll. Don't need a foam roll with IT band. It's just going to cause a lot of pain for no reason. Like just wasting time. Don't waste time.
Awesome.
All right.
Now, if you have any questions regarding this video or IT band syndrome in general, if you want to give us some comments as to how you've treated the IT band, please post those below. And if you haven't subscribed to us yet on YouTube, do so right over here.